Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Do you ever have that feeling when you're going shopping for meat, what you want to choose? Pork, chicken, beef? Well, today I got pork, and that's going to go on the old Ozpig. Well, today on the Ozpig I'm going to be cooking pork using the rotisserie attachment. I got a nice big leg of pork and I'm going to cook that on there. Since my barbecue is new, I'm going to give it a bit of a burn with wood just to get it all cleaned out properly. I started in newspaper, and we make 3 of those up. He doesn't like making fires. It's burning quite nicely. What I've just done, just put on the drip tray. It's going to give it a bit of a season as well. I'm also going to put on the old plate, which has been out for a while. It comes with a great handle. Just put it on for a while as well. Just give it a bit of a burn. Well, I tell you, there's a bit of heat coming out of that. Be a great little fire in winter time, that's for sure. Burning really well. And cranking. So what I've got here is a nice piece of pork leg roast. What I'm going to do is I'm going to score the skin and salt it, and then get it onto the rotisserie pole and stick on the barbecue. So I find using a sharp Stanley knife works really well of getting into the skin. Much easier than using a knife. I'm just going to score the skin, nice little strips like that. Take off the old grilling plate, drip tray off. There we go. I'm going to put the drip tray back on. Right. Look, the neighbour's rabbit eating my kai. Yeah, you'll be on here next, boy. Hey, get out of there. Look at him down there. Cheeky buddy rabbit. Right, time to put this on. Put it through there. And there we have it. I'll just turn it on now. I'll just have to adjust it a little bit. Wasn't turning consistently, so I had to adjust the pole in there, and it's much better now. Actually, I think it is Thursday o'clock. That's what happens when you sit by a nice warm fire in summer. Cheers everyone. Just add in a few bits of manuka every now and again. Smelling really nice. And that's been cooking for just about an hour now. You can get some nice smoky flavours from the manuka wood. Oh yeah, look at that. Checking you guys hungry or what? There's juices running off there. Oh yeah. Whoa. Seeing a bit more wood. It's been about coming up 2.5 hours. The pork. A lot of the colouring comes off the manuka wood, the smoking and flavour off it. What we're going to put on now is give it a real kiwi flavour to it. I'm going to roast some kumara or sweet potato. So we'll put those on the grill here. This has got Tuscan seasoning on it. The old kumara or sweet potato. Put those on there and cook those up as well. There you go. Just turn those kumara over. They get cooked in no time at all in this heat. Kumara out. It's all cooked. Tomatoes now. Just from the garden. These won't take long to cook. Check that out. Oh yeah, that's cooked. Right, we'll pull that off, hey guys. Yum. Right, there we go. Oh. Where do we start? looks nice. Let's cut down here. Ooh. See that lovely smoke ring in there? Ooh, look at those juices. Nice piece of juicy meat. Look at that. Nice bit of juicy meat cooked on the Ozpig. Nice good close up for you. Nice and juicy. It's well worth the wait. Pretty crackly. That meat, for my first attempt, has come out bloody beautiful. Can't stop eating it. I'm going to turn it off now. I'm going to start honing to this kai. It is bloody tasty. See you guys all next time. Bye.